Is Beam Therapeutics the future of gene editing? Beam Therapeutics is a biotech firm that focuses on the development of novel treatments using a form of gene editing called base editing. It's being touted as the next generation of gene editing because it appears to have a better safety profile and may be more effective than current CRISPR gene editing. It makes fewer breaks in the DNA during multiplex gene knockout than CRISPR-Cas9 and does not require a toxic DNA donor molecule for genetic correction. However, Beam Therapeutics is simply further behind than its gene editing peers because base editing is less developed. While base editing shows promise with its ability to make precise changes to DNA without causing double-strand breaks, reducing the risk of unintended mutations and off-target effects, it remains to be seen whether these advantages will be sufficient to fully replace methods like CRISPR-Cas9. There are currently 2 gene editing treatments approved in the U.S., one from CRISPR Therapeutics and the other from Bluebird Bio. Both are approved for the treatment of sickle cell disease, SCD, and beta thalassemia. Beam currently has 2 treatments in clinical trials. Beam 101 is a program for the treatment of SCD and beta thalassemia, but initial clinical trial data is not expected until the end of the year. The obvious concern here is that CRISPR Therapeutics and Bluebird will have a considerable head start in commercializing their products. Beam 201 is the company's program for the treatment of relapsed refractory T-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia and T-cell lymphoblastic lymphoma. The first patient from the trial was dosed in September 2023. Overall, it's a highly exciting company, but its pipeline is very young. The average Beam Therapeutics stock price target is $45, implying a 94.2% upside potential.